Nothing says a perfect getaway like Margaritaville in Nassau, Bahamas. Margaritaville has the perfect landscape with palm trees, beautiful crystal waters, and white sandy beach with plenty of sunshine and cool water to refresh your body and soul.
If your adventure to Nassau started on a cruise ship, you can get a taxi from the port to the resort. If you want to save a few bucks, Margaritaville is about a 20-minute walk from the cruise port, even if you're in a wheelchair.
A day pass is around $79 per person. We paid $175 for 2 adults. The tickets can be purchased at the gate by credit card only. The resort does not take cash. Everything, including food and locker rentals, must be purchased with a credit card. The day pass includes full use of Finn's Water Park that features water slides, a lazy river, a zero entry pool, and we can't forget it also includes use of the private beach with chairs and towels.
The resort is totally wheelchair accessible. The pool has zero entry, and the lazy river has a ramp into the water. There is a sidewalk and ramp that lead to the beach area as well.
And the cabanas are an extra charge. Relax floating along in the lazy river, or take the bridge over to the pool. If you have mobility issues, no need to worry. The bridge has a ramp that leads over to the pool area as well. There are plenty of umbrellas and other shady places to sit and hang out. Beach chairs line the edge of the zero entry pool. Simply slide out of the chair and right into the cool water.
Margaritaville Resort doesn't just bring the Caribbean to you, it brings you to the Caribbean. Just check out that view.
For a bit more excitement, take a ride down the water slide. Picture yourself relaxed, kicked back on an inner tube, floating down the lazy river. When you least expect it, you'll find yourself under a waterfall. The thrill will have you laughing like a child.
You won't find a better spot in Nassau to kick back, relax, and enjoy the Caribbean vibe while you get into the Margaritaville state of mind. After all, it is always 5 o'clock somewhere.
Somewhere. If you're looking for a little bit more of a thrill, why don't you try testing your balance on the Flow Rider? After all, it's not just for teenagers. You can be a kid again too. The pool bar, also known as 12-volt bar, features cool, refreshing cocktails and a great view of the beach. The pool bar is only for guests of the resort.
If the Flow Rider wasn't enough to get your heart racing, test your skill at climbing the rock wall. Can you climb to the top? And basketball is also available.
Getting hungry. Are you getting hungry?
Oh yeah.
If you get hungry, Margaritaville has some great food options. Note that the food is ordered at one window and the cocktails at the next window. Enjoy your lunch at one of the tables by the food area or take it back to your lounge chair. It's up to you. After all, it's your day, your vacation. Do it your way.
The all-day locker rental fee is around $10. Each locker holds one average-sized backpack. Restrooms and changing rooms are located by the lockers.
There's no need to worry about carrying a wet towel back to the ship. The resort provides guests with towels to use while at the resort absolutely free. We can't forget about the beach area. The resort lifeguards are on duty not only at the pool and the lazy river, but also at the beach. So grab a towel and head on out to the beach. After spending a day by the pool and the lazy river and the water slides, get out there and wiggle your toes in the sand and take a dip in the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean Ocean.
There's a sidewalk along the wall of the resort and the ramp is at the far end. Margaritaville is a great way to spend your day in Nassau.
So don't stay on the ship next time you're in Nassau, Bahamas. Come along with us and join the day at Margaritaville. Well, we hope that you've enjoyed this video of Margaritaville in Nassau, Bahamas. Check out our other videos about Nassau as well. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.